Hello and welcome back to Lunch at the Market. Today has been interesting, hugging the flat line today. We need some more consolidation in order to keep the gains we've racked up over the last couple of weeks. We have started selling calls again today on our long positions. We're not terribly active. Most of our trades happen when the market is swinging dramatically one way or the other. Today isn't offering us a lot of action in terms of trading. If you haven't sold Apple calls today, you're long in the stock. Pick a strike, 280 to 290, even 300. Somewhere the stock has never been, and start collecting premium. You have to sell your Apple one day or you'll risk holding Microsoft for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, at least Microsoft pays dividends. Eventually, every company tops out one day. It'll happen to them too. Bank of America has sold off hard since reporting their earnings. Let's take a look at the numbers. Bank of America's second quarter earnings were 27 cents, which were above the 21-cent sentences. Revenue fell about 9%, and net interest income declined 6%. But expenses also fell 3%. Card revenue up $47 million, investments and brokerage up $73 million, but mortgage revenue fell $602 million. Underwriting right now is very, very tough. The reason for being positive on Bank of America is that they do business with an enormous amount of American households. We have not seen a slowdown in family formation. That's where people get married and have kids. Housing starts are about half of what they were 3 years ago, yet household formations has not really slowed. Those new families will eventually have to move out of mom's house and get on their own. BAC will be there to sell them a mortgage. Now with the acquisition of Merrill Lynch, they'll be able to cross-sell those people their asset management services in addition. They also have an insurance division. If you have a shot at BAC under $14, we continue to like it there. We added to our January Leap options today. We bought the 14 strike today. We've also started selling August 13-11 put spreads against our long Bank of America position, so that we can take in some money while we wait for the story to play out. In terms of conference calls today, Freeport McMoran was terrific. Love that the management team and they have some big projects on the horizon. They are about 100 million tons of proven mineral reserves with an access to about another 100 billion of unproven reserves. They are working to get the Climax project up and running, which would generate about 30 million tons a year. They continue to like dividends as a way to return capitals to shareholders and have a great looking balance sheet. EMC's call was extremely bullish, calling for a double-digit profit growth for the next several years. We continue to like EMC, although we are not at it until under 19. If you're not in it, wait, and if you own it, we're waiting for a move. The options just aren't giving us what we need to start selling calls. We may start selling put spreads as well in the name if we don't get the move we want over the short term so that we can keep taking in money on this trade. Wells Fargo conference call was a sleeper, but they are probably one of the most profitable plain vanilla banking franchises out there. And they said on their call that the Wachovia acquisition is going better than they ever imagined. We think all the banks are going to do extremely well once interest rates begin to rise. Well, time for us to go back to listening to the endless conference calls. You can tune in and watch the updates scroll by scroll on StockTwit's desktop application or go to magnumopusfinancial.com and check out the Twitter stream on the right side of the webpage. You don't even have to learn to use Twitter. You can just go on our website and watch this stream roll by. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.